Welcome back to another video, guys. So basically we have covered 15 questions and now we are on to the 16th one, so I'll be going forward. So let's start. Question number 16 is also a situational question. So what is the effect on the balance of payments if Canada exports 80 billion in goods and imports 150 billion in goods over the same period, holding all the other factors constant? So the correct answer is the current account deficit, and this question is available in chapter number 3, economic principles. Question number 17. What is an example of a business cycle leading indicator? So the correct answer is housing starts. And this question is available in chapter number 3, economic principles. Question number 18. What is the cause of structural unemployment? The answer is workers lacking necessary skills. And this answer is also available in chapter number 4, economic principles. Question number 19. What is the relationship with inflation that the Phillips curve represents? The correct answer is inflation and unemployment levels move in the opposite direction. Answer is available in chapter number 4, economic principles. Question number 20 is there's a student who completed his university degree and is now unemployed but actively looking for a job. Which type of unemployment does that student represent? So the correct answer is frictional, and the answer is available in chapter number 4, economic principles. Situational question number 21. The consumer price index CPI was 123.5 in the previous period and 128.6 in the current period. What is the approximate inflation rate during this period? The answer is 4.13. So the inflation rate determined by the following calculation: CPI current minus CPI previous multiplied by 100. For this question, the calculation as follows: 128.6 minus 123.5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 4.13. And this answer is also available in the chapter number 4, economic principles. Question number 22. Assuming there are no other changes to the economy, which events will increase the value of the Canadian dollar? The correct answer is increase in imports and also increase in the Canadian interest rates. This question and this answer is also available in the chapter number 4, economic principles. The question number 23 is a situational question. The Bank of Canada's targeted operating band is 2.5% to 3%, and the overnight rate is 3.2%. What is the best course of action for the Bank of Canada to take? The correct answer is to offer and lend money to financial institutions at 3.0% overnight. And this answer is available in chapter number 5, economic policies. Question number 22. Due to the recent recession, a government is experiencing a deficit for the first time over a decade. It had previously predicted a surplus for the year. What impact will this have on the government's national debt? The correct answer is increase by the amount of the deficit. The answer is available in chapter number 5, economic policies. Question number 25. What action will the Bank of Canada take if it's concerned that short-term interest rates are too low? The correct answer is draw down to decrease the money supply. And this answer is also available in chapter number 5, economic policy. Question number 26. Which activity is the part of Canada's role as a fiscal agent? The correct answer is managing gold reserves. This answer is also available in chapter number 5, economic policies. Question number 27. A government which is preparing for an upcoming election cuts personal income taxes. Consumers save the additional funds. Which fiscal challenge has the government encountered? The correct answer is future expectations. This answer is available in chapter number 6, fixed income securities, features and types. Question number 28. ABC Limited 10-year bonds. ABC must redeem, the company, they must redeem a minimum of 5% of the issue on April 15th each year. Which feature has ABC included with this bond? The correct answer is sinking fund. This answer is available in chapter number 6, fixed income securities, features and types. Question number 29. What are the characteristics of a Government of Canada marketable bond? Correct answer is non-callable, tradable in secondary market. This answer is also available in chapter number 6, fixed income securities, features and types. Question number 30, a situational question. A bond with $10,000 face value is purchased at a price of 97. What does this mean for an investor who is buying the bond? The correct answer is the bond will generate a capital gain if he held to maturity, right? And the bond is priced at the discount to its par value. This answer is also available in chapter number 6, fixed income securities, features and types. So this is the end of the second video with almost 30 questions now, and the next video will be starting from question number 1 again, and I'll be taking out more questions and their answers. So keep liking these videos and subscribe so that you won't miss this amazing information which is directly coming out from the chapter. So keep practicing and best of luck.